how to replace the speaker assembly.
Caution. Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, keyboard, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, base plate frame, and system board. Removal. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing hook in the speaker assembly. Carefully pry out the speaker assembly, held in place by adhesive foam. Lift the speaker out of its compartment in the top cover. Replacement. Place the speaker assembly, speaker side down, into its compartment over the guide posts and screw holes in the top cover, and press gently to help it adhere into place. Replace the wireless antenna cables into the routing hook in the speaker assembly. Continue the reassembly. Replace the system board, base plate frame, hard disk drive, wireless LAN module, keyboard, battery, and base enclosure.